beautiful magic dress. But I don't know your shoes. I want the beautiful shoes. Wow, what a beautiful shoes. Oh no, what about my hair? Magic, give me a magic. Wow, what's my beautiful hair now? I think I want a beautiful cow. Magic me magical cow. What a beautiful cow. But I don't have a hat. Magic beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful castle. Oh no, but I don't have some stuff. Maybe I can magic some stuff. Magic, I want some toothpick. Wow, toothpick. But I don't have some panda. Magic, give me a tooth. Wow, two pandas. But I don't have any toys. Wow, beautiful toys. Now, I have a beautiful castle and this. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.